started working here for JR & Company about 15 years ago. I really started just working in the warehouse and doing deliveries. So I was doing crane loads and slowly worked my way up from there to running a crew. I purchased the company January of 2017. Been fortunate to have a good team around me and kind of where we are.
The best thing about JR is the people I get to work with every day.
It's very much like family.
Family oriented. It's like a big family.
Family. Even if you're not blood, everybody's family.
They're great. I couldn't ask for a better team.
And a lot of these guys are like my brothers.
A very family-oriented company.
We're family. We get along, we joke with each other.
The family atmosphere.
It's a family.
I just like how it's family orientated, you know. I mean, they really do care about you and your family.
We do family days, and it's not just the individuals that work here. It's you and all of your kids and your extended family, and they're huge. Nothing's done small here, so it's very family oriented, even though it's a pretty large company at this point.
I love people. I love the people that work here. I love the people that we have the opportunity of working for. I guess the image that we want to portray to our customers, I mean, as much as we can, we want to bring them in and make them a part of our family. We want to give them an experience that they feel special, they feel like they're treated like one of a kind when we get the opportunity to work for them. And, you know, at the end of the day, that's going to be the goal, is that we can provide an experience for them that makes them feel like they're part of the family.
JR is located in Kansas City, Missouri. We have regional offices in Fort Myers, Florida, and Denver, Colorado.
JR & Company offers a variety of service.
The residential division, the sheet metal divisions.
We've added solar, we've added general construction along with our roofing.
So whatever your need is, JR & Company is here to provide the best solution to your roofing need, and we're here to partner with you to help you make the best decision regarding your roof.